Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn us Speech. Today we are going to learn and write 10 best good thoughts. First,
try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Every day is a good day. Next,
and sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could.
First things always first. Next,
the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
rightly think before you speak. Next, dream big, dare to fail. Next, education prepares you for the future. Next, I think I can, I know I can. Next,
Losing time on
your attitude determines your direction. Next,
embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have
preparation is the key to success. Next,
broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is.
where there is a will, there is a way. And lastly, a friend is need is a friend indeed. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos.